In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up your PowerPoint presentation for a Pecha Kucha style presentation where each slide is presented for 20 seconds. This format is increasingly popular for its fast-paced and concise presenting style, perfect for keeping your audience engaged and your message clear. So let's get started by opening PowerPoint on your computer. Once you have PowerPoint open, you'll want to create a new presentation. This will serve as the foundation for showcasing your ideas in a streamlined, structured way. Next, navigate to the Insert tab located in the toolbar at the top of your screen. This is where you can manage the slides that will compose the body of your presentation. Clicking on New Slide will add a slide to your presentation. It's important to ensure that this first slide is blank, which you can select when adding the slide. Having a blank slide allows you to structure your content precisely the way you want it without any preset distractions. Now you'll need a total of 20 slides since each slide should last for 20 seconds during the presentation, resulting in the entire presentation lasting exactly 6 minutes and 40 seconds. You can create each slide individually, or for convenience, you might choose to duplicate your first slide until you reach a total of 20 slides. This can be particularly useful if the layout for each slide is going to be similar, or if you want a consistent design theme throughout. Once you've set up all 20 slides, shift your attention to the Transition tab, which you'll find next to the Insert tab. Transition settings control how your slides change from one to the next during your presentation. Here, you'll want to deactivate the on-mouse click option. Deselecting this ensures that your slides will advance automatically rather than manually, keeping the flow of your Pecha Kucha smooth and uninterrupted. In the same Transition tab, you'll find the option to set a specific time duration after which each slide will move to the next. You're going to set this to 20 seconds. This is a crucial step in adhering to the Pecha Kucha rule of timing, allowing each slide its moment to shine for an equal amount of time. Once you've set the 20-second duration, click on Apply to All. This step is essential as it ensures that every slide in your presentation follows the same transition timing, so you don't have to manually adjust each one. And there you have it, an entire Pecha Kucha presentation set up and ready to go. By following these steps carefully, your slideshow will automatically progress every 20 seconds, keeping you on point and engaging your audience effectively from start to finish.